Hello guys, today we are going to draw the latch clip in Autocad and we are going to draw the this front view and the top view in Autocad. So here I have some custom layers set for me. You can also do that. So contours, I am going to activate this layer and we are going to draw it by following the dimensions. So first, if you want to use the grid, you can use it. But for me, I am going to hide this grid and I am going to click here to activate it. So we can draw horizontal and vertical lines. So our cursor will be restricted to horizontally and vertically. Okay, so select the line tool and here first point, this line is 6.5. So make sure it's horizontal like zero angle. So 6.5 inches. Okay. Now I'm just going to zoom it. So now move in into this side or we can go to this side. So select line tool and move your cursor to this endpoint and make sure this snap object of the endpoint is activated or selected from here. Endpoint is not selected, endpoint is selected. So our cursor can snap with the endpoint of this existing line. So from here, I'm going to draw a line and this line is 1 mm, and same way from this line I am going to draw another line and this line will be 3 mm. Okay, so this line we just draw it for our reference. So next line we are going to draw it 1.75 and then again and one another line 1 inches. Okay, so here you can see we have endpoint here. Here we also have a line and here we have this endpoint. So starting from this point, this endpoint of this line, we have to move to till this endpoint like that. Because we draw this extra line and going to delete it and this extra line, these are just construction line or a line for our reference. Okay, next we have to make this thing so it's 1 mm from here from this point, same from this point to 1.5. So from this point I'm going to again construct a construction line 1.5. Okay, and from this point we have 3.5. Okay, so this line I am going to delete it. So select it and press delete. Now just move this side, it's one, and then close this point. So like that, and this will be one. Then go on this side. So this dimension we have to calculate from this point to this point. This total is 3.5 minus 1. So remaining is 2.5 divided by 2, 1.25. So 1.25 and join it with this point like that. Okay, now this portion and this portion we have to uh, mirror it. So I am going to select this line, this line, this line, this line, and I am going to use the mirror tool and specify first point of the mirror line. So we basically have to select the center of this line because it will be in the center. So for that, go to snap, expand it and make sure the midpoint is activated. Now when you move your cursor to the midpoint of this line, this point is activated and make sure you move your cursor horizontally like that and erase source object. No, so as you can see, simply we mirror this other half portion and we draw this from a front view. So now the object is 0.25 inches. So we are going to construct some construction line. So from this point till this point and go to contours. So these construction lines are only to uh, transfer your view to the other view. So again, then go to contours and line, and from here I am going to draw a line, and this endpoint will be till this point like that, and then use this one. So offset 0.25, we are going to make it offset, and now I'm just going to join these points. Right click, repeat line. From this point to this point, we have to draw a line. Okay, that's good. No, basically, when you see this object from the top, and this will be hidden, and this line will be also hidden. So we have to draw some construction line. So like from this point to go like that, and from this point like that. So these 2 points will be hidden from the top view, and this point will be also hidden. So when you transfer your view, you have to draw a line from every point or every vertex, so you can transfer the view. Okay, and then for this point, because it is also hidden, and then for this point, and then I'm just going to extend all of these lines like that. As you can see, it's extended till this point, and here I am going to select hidden lines. So as you can see, if we see it from top point, this point will be hidden from the top view. So like that, draw a line, and I'm just drawing line extending this line. So after that we will trim it, and also this will be also hidden, and repeat line, and this point will be also hidden. This point will be hidden, it will be a line hidden, and this point will be also hidden. So like that, and like that, and now just trim all of these, sorry, trim. So we make sure you select the trim and trim all of these lines, and this line is also will be hidden. So this you can see it's a continuous line, it's not hidden line, LTS, and 0.25. So make sure these lines are hidden. And now we just deactivate the construction. These are for reference. Now for top, if you see this object from the top, this will be hidden, and this point will be hidden. So it is representing the hidden things. So now go to dimensions and just dimension this one. So this line is 6.5. From this point to this, it's 1. From this point to this, it's 4. From this point to this point, it's 1.5. And from this point to this point, it's 2.5. And this to this is 1. This to this is also 1, like that. And we know this is 3.5. And you can specify this positional dimension like that. And from this point to this point, it's also 1. Okay, so the drawing of this latch clip is completed. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.